Hello, this is Bo Knuth from Retriever Software. This is an update on the Retriever Software Emergency Command and Control application. The screen that we're looking at here is the desktop application that's designed to run on multiple screens, on dual screens. This is one of four dispatching screens that are available within the Emergency Command and Control application. This particular one, entitled Dispatch Evacuation Buses, is designed to get the buses from the reception center to their final shelter destination without further processing. The three other dispatching screens have to do with picking up special needs evacuees directly from their addresses and getting them to shelters. And the other two have to do with inventory control, resupplying shelters and resupplying the warehouses from which resupply vehicles will then go ahead and fill requisitions from shelters. So there are demonstrations available on those particular dispatching screens as well. To launch into this one, so again, the monitor that we're looking at, the screen, the left-hand part of the screen would be displayed on one monitor. The map information on the right hand would be displayed on a separate monitor. So this is designed to be operated. We'll go ahead and click on the apply button, and this will show us all of the buses that are currently en route, that have not gotten to their final destination but have left the reception center. And so we'll see that a destination has been entered by one of the guardsmen who has actually embarked the evacuees onto the bus. And they have not supplied a final destination shelter, because we don't really know that at the point where the buses are being embarked with evacuees. So we just have a destination city. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and click on this first row here that has evacuation bus number 1 with 44 passengers on board. And we'll notice that the map on the right hand monitor will display both the position of the evacuation bus, and this is determined by the GPS device within the bus, and also show all the shelters that have available beds within the target city, in this case Dallas. So the same information is displayed here as in the other dispatching applications within the Emergency Command and Control product here. So we'll notice that we see the city and the names of the shelters that are available in that city, and also the distance from the bus to the shelter, and also the number of beds that are available. We can see that either here on the list, or we also see that same information over here on the right hand side on the map itself. When we go ahead and click on one of these shelter locations, the map on the right will go ahead and generate the driving directions along with a route map, which shows the exact turns from the vehicle all the way to the destination shelter. And we can come over here and do a right click on that same shelter line and click on the assign button, and this is at the point where all of the mapping information is now compressed and made available for the Pocket PC device on that evacuation bus number 1 to download. So it takes about a minute or so here for all of the maps to be generated by the Microsoft MapPoint technology, and then all this information then will be downloaded to the Pocket PC via the Retriever Software Comm Manager that controls the communications between each one of the devices and the central dispatcher. So now we'll go ahead and show you what the application running on the handheld device looks like.